Hello, I'm Dario and I'm here to introduce you to the Levc VN5 panel van. Like all our vehicles, this van has undergone 128 inspection points by AA and it's covered under their warranty for the first 3 months, plus you get roadside assistance included for the first year with a single call-out. The VN5 is characterized by the signature Levc design and it's also fitted. The VN5 is characterized by the signature Levc design, which is a perfect blend of modern and retro features. This specific exemplar is the hybrid ECT business trim level, and it's equipped with full LED auto-adjusting headlights, front parking sensors, electrically adjustable and heated mirrors. Over the rear side, you have barn-style opening door with a 2/3 design, full LED taillights and parking sensors over the rear bumper. Over the curb side, you have the wide sliding door and the fuel port for both the petrol and the plug-in hybrid plug. The cargo area at the back is fitted with ply lining over the side panels, LED lighting fixtures over the roofline, protective mat over the floor, and 4 anchorage points around the wheel arch area. You have a width of 111 centimeters at the most narrow point in between the wheel arches, a height of 130 centimeters at the lowest point of the roof, and a floor length of 246 centimeters of fully usable floor space. As part of the business trim level, once you open the door, you have LED paddle lights, and then you have 2 textile fabric seats in charcoal with grey inserts over the center. Both front seats are electrically adjustable in height with electric lumbar support as well. And then in between the 2 seats, you have a really useful cargo net and a hook, which is really useful to hang your clothes, a hat, or anything else. The 2-tone dashboard is fitted with a passenger airbag and recalls the classic taxi cab interior as well. And it's modernized with a fully digital dashboard and a 10-inch tablet for the infotainment. The 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel can be adjusted both in height and depth and houses the controls for the cruise control with speed limiter function and also adaptive cruise control. And over the right-hand side, you have the infotainment, voice commands, and trip computer commands. The left stalk commands the headlights and is also fitted with, as I mentioned before, automatic headlights. And as part of the business trim level, you have the full auto high beam LED matrix as well. On the right-hand side of the driver, you have a dial to adjust the dimming of the cabin light, which will also affect the ambient lighting inside. A toggle to open both the rear boot and one for the filling cap. Over the armrest you can find the controls for the power windows and power mirrors. The cabin roof is fitted with a center console with, as I mentioned before, ambient lighting, and you also have the commands for the classic lights and the SOS button for emergency calls. The infotainment is this tablet powered by Automotive OS, from where you can control the DAB radio, the Bluetooth capability of the vehicle as well, and toggle some of the features of the vehicle or switch in between drive modes. From here you can also access the car status and have quick access to the tire pressure monitoring system and any diagnostics. For the AC, you have all the climate controls on the tablet as well, and the electric and heated mirrors replicated both on the screen, and there's also physical toggles just underneath the infotainment. The center console houses the start and stop lever and the engine transmission as well, which can be used both to switch between regular driving modes and also between the various regenerations level of the battery. You also have a toggle for the auto start and stop, and the electronic handbrake. The vehicle is also provided with a charging cable for the plug-in battery. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Levc VN5. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.